Hi friends, today we are going to discuss how to text in a 3D part body. First I open the part design module. So now I'm going to sketch a rectangle on XYZ plane or XY or ZX plane. So I'm selecting one plane and go to sketch. Okay, now I'm going to draw a center rectangle. Okay, so draw a center rectangle like this of any length as per required. So I'm drawing a sketch like this. So by taking the dimensions and editing it to some value, so I draw a rectangle with some dimensions. Now exit from the workbench. Okay, next pick the pad option to make it to 3D solid object. So I draw a 3D solid object by giving some length. So I've given the length as 1 mm. Okay, so now I'm going to make a text on this top face. Okay, so for that, okay, so we can pick this area and click on the sketch. Okay, and here we need to make a text. Okay, but in this sketch module there is no option like text. Okay, so but text option is available in the drafting module. So for that, now I'm shifting to the drafting module. In that we can have the option like text. From that we can import that is copy and paste the text in this sketch. Okay, so first I'm going to pick the other module. So just exiting from the workbench. Okay, keep this file as it is. If you want you can save it or keep this file as it is. Now go to start, pick the drafting module. Okay, click on drafting. Okay, so that you'll get some options like this. So previously we have gone through the all views in this drafting module. Now I'm going to explain text in empty sheet. Okay, so click on empty sheet. If you want you can change these parameters, like if you want the format A2, A3 or A4. Okay, so by click on the modify you can change this standard and sheet style. Okay, so I picked the ISO and A4 style and the page is landscape and click on OK. Now if you click on OK, you will be shifted into the drafting module. So this is how the empty drafting will look like. Okay, now I am going to make a text in this sheet. Okay, so text option is available in this insert, annotations. Click on next and here you will have some options like text, text with leader, text replicate, balloon, datum target, text template placement. So pick the first option as text. Now pick the option here, pick the place here. So here you will get text editor. Now we can write the text here as Katia. I'm giving text as Katia. Next, if you want to go for next step, click on shift and enter so that you will get shifted into the next line. If you click on enter, it will automatically take in. So for next line you should pick the shift and enter keyboard. Okay, so now I'm going to write the text as part design. So for next line I'm going to click the next, click the shift button and enter button at a time so that you will be shifted into the next line. So next I'm going to give the some drafting name. Okay, so roughly I've given some names here and click on OK so that the text is created. And now if you want to change the text height or text format, here you can choose the options here. So for that, double click on it, select the text. Here you can choose the text format as per your required, in which format you want to make the text. Okay, so next if you want to increase the text, also you can increase the text height here. So I'll make the changes here. Now just click on OK. Then now we need to save this text file. Okay, so go to file, click on save as. Okay, so here we need to save this text file in DXF format. Okay, so for that go to save as type. Here you are having some text formats like this. You need to save this text in DXF format. So click on DXF. Now give the name. So trial text. Okay, so I am saving this file name as trial text in the DXF format. Okay, now save this file. Okay, after saving this file, now we need to open that file which I saved. So for that, go to file, click on open. Now open the DXF files of trial text. So click on trial text and open. So like this we have opened the file. So it will appear like this. Now I am going to select this text. So by using the mouse, make the two corner points by dragging it and select this text. Now make a copy of this text by using the keyboard, that is Ctrl C. So using Ctrl C, copy the text. So it is copied. Next, now we need to go to the part 5. So go to window, click on part 2. Now select this face. So in this face I am going to make the text. So select this face, click on sketch. Now using Ctrl V, paste the text. So it is paste. So if you want to see the text, so just click on the fit all in. So text is appeared here. Just move the text here and zoom it. As the text is increased here, now we need to decrease the size. So first select this text, click on scale option, specify the point and reduce it. So just reduce to this one. Now again zoom it. So still it is in the not correct position. So again click on scale, specify the center point and still you can zoom out. Okay, so like this we need to reduce the text by using the scale option. Okay, just zoom it, again use the scale option, specify the center point. Okay, so this is how the text is scaled to required size. So after reducing the scale of this text, just we need to exit from the workbench. Okay, so text will be appear like this. Next we can make a pad option or a pocket option for this sketch, for this text. Okay, now I'm using the pad option. We'll see how it will look like. So click on pad, go to selection. So in this selection select this text. Okay, after selecting the text it will be appear like this. So material will be added for this text. If you want, you can increase or decrease the thickness for this text. So I'm giving it as 0.5, enter. So after giving the text, after giving the pad option, the text will be appear like this. Okay, so text will be added in this direction. Suppose if you want to remove this text from this part body, so it can be done by using the pocket. So we'll see how the pocket will appear for this text. So just remove the pad option. So click on pad, right click on delete, but untick this option, that is delete exclusive parent option, and click on OK. So that text will be appear like this only pad option will be removed. Now click on pocket, select the text. Okay, so that the material will be that this text is removed from this pad object. So I've given the depth as 0.5 and click on OK. So this text is removed from this pad body. Okay, so this is how the text is given for the 3D solid object by using the drafting module. So in this way we are going to import the text on the part solid object, and we can use the pad option or pocket option for the text. Now I'm going to save the file. So click on file, go to save as, and give the file name as text for 3D in CATIA. So this is how file is saved in CATIA, and text will be appear like this. If you want, you can change the color of this part body. So just click on the pad or part body, go to properties, graphics, assign any color. Okay, so that you can see the object like this. Okay, so for not only for these simple objects, the text is appeared in any complex objects. Okay, So we'll discuss about further options related to text in CATIA in the further classes. Thank you.